Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn or write square of 1 to 200. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Square of 1 is equal to 1. Square of 2 is equal to 4. Square of 3 is equal to 9. Square of 4 is equal to 16. Square of 5 is equal to 25. Square of 6 is equal to 36. Square of 7 is equal to 49. Square of 8 is equal to 64. Square of 9 is equal to 81. Square of 10 is equal to 100. Square of 11 is equal to 121. Square of 12 is equal to 144. Square of 13 is equal to 169. Square of 14 is equal to 196. Square of 15 is equal to 225. Square of 16 is equal to 256. Square of 17 is equal to 289. Square of 18 is equal to 324. Square of 19 is equal to 361. Square of 20 is equal to 400. Square of 21 is equal to 441. Square of 22 is equal to 484. Square of 23 is equal to 529. Square of 24 is equal to 576. Square of 25 is equal to 625. Square of 26 is equal to 676. Square of 27 is equal to 729. Square of 28 is equal to 784. Square of 29 is equal to 841. Square of 30 is equal to 900. Square of 31 is equal to 961. Square of 32 is equal to 1024. Square of 33 is equal to 1089. Square of 34 is equal to 1156. Square of 35 is equal to 1225. Square of 36 is equal to 1296 मतलब 1296. Square of 37 is equal to 1369. Square of 38 is equal to 1444. Square of 39 is equal to 1521. Square of 40 is equal to 1600. Square of 41 is equal to 1681. Square of 42 is equal to 1764. Square of 43 is equal to 1849. Square of 44 is equal to 1936. Square of 45 is equal to 2025. Square of 46 is equal to 2116. Square of 47 is equal to 2209. Square of 48 is equal to 2304. Square of 49 is equal to 2401. Square of 50 is equal to 2500. Square of 51 is equal to 2601. Square of 52 is equal to 2704. Square of 53 is equal to 2809. Square of 54 is equal to 2916. Square of 55 is equal to 3025. Square of 56 is equal to 3136. Square of 57 is equal to 3249. Square of 58 is equal to 3364. Square of 59 is equal to 3481. Square of 60 is equal to 3600. Square of 61 is equal to 3721. Square of 62 is equal to 3844. Square of 63 is equal to 3969. Square of 64 is equal to 4096. Square of 65 is equal to 4225. Square of 66 is equal to 4356. 6. Square of 67 is equal to 4489. Square of 68 is equal to 4624. Square of 69 is equal to 4761. Square of 70 is equal to 4900. Square of 71 is equal to 5041. Square of 72 is equal to 5184. Square of 73 is equal to 5329. Square of 74 is equal to 5476. Square of 75 is equal to 5625. Square of 76 is equal to 5776. Square of 77 is equal to 5929. Square of 78 is equal to 6084. Square of 79 is equal to 6241. Square of 80 is equal to 6400. Square of 81 is equal to 6561. Square of 82 is equal to 6724. Square of 83 is equal to 6889. Square of 84 is equal to 7056. Square of 85 is square is equal to 7225. Square of 86 is equal to 7396. Square of 87 is equal to 7569. Square of 88 is equal to 7744. Square of 89 is equal to 7921. Square of 90 is equal to 8100. Square of 91 is equal to 8281. Square of 92 is equal to 8464. Square of 93 is equal to 8649. Square of 94 is equal to 8836. Square of 95 is equal to 9025. Square of 96 is equal to 9216. Square of 97 is equal to 9409. Square of 98 is equal to 9604. Square of 99 is equal to 9801. Square of 100 is equal to 10,000. Square of 101 is equal to 10,201. Square of 102 is equal to 10,404. Square of 103 is equal to 10,609. Square of 104 is equal to 10,816. Square of 105 is equal to 11,025. Square of 106 is equal to 11,236. Square of 107 is equal to 11,449. Square of 108 is equal to 11,664. Square of 109 is equal to 11,881. Square of 110 is equal to 12,100. Square of 111 is equal to 12,321. Square of 112 is equal to 12,544. Square of 113 is equal to 12,769. Square of 114 is equal to 12,996. Square of 115 is equal to 13,225. Square of 116 is equal to 13,456. Square of 117 is equal to 13,689. Square of 118 is equal to 13,924. Square of 119 is equal to 14,161. Square of 120 is equal to 14,400. Square of 121 is equal to 14,641. Square of 122 is equal to 14,884. Square of 123 is equal to 15,129. Square of 124 is equal to 15,376. Square of 125 is equal to 15,625. 5. Square of 126 is equal to 15,876. Square of 127 is equal to 16,129. Square of 128 is equal to 16,384. Square of 129 is equal to 16,641. Square of 130 is equal to 16,900. Square of 131 is equal to 17,161. Square of 132 is equal to 17,424. Square of 133 is equal to 17,689. Square of 134 is equal to 17,956. Square of 135 is equal to 18,225. Square of 136 is equal to 18,496. Square of 137 is equal to 18,769. Square of 138 is equal to 19,044. Square of 139 is equal to 19,321. Square of 140 is equal to 19,600. Square of 141 is equal to 19,881. Square of 142 is equal to 20,164. Square of 143 is equal to 20,449. Square of 144 is equal to 20,736. Square of 145 is equal to 21,025. Square of 146 is equal to 21,316. Square of 147 is equal to 21,609. Square of 148 is equal to 21,904. Square of 149 is equal to 22,201. Square of 150 is equal to 22,500. Square of 151 is equal to 22,801. Square of 152 is equal to 23,104. Square of 153 is equal to 23,409. Square of 154 is equal to 23,716. Square of 155 is equal to 24,025. Square of 156 is equal to 24,336. Square of 157 is equal to 24,649. Square of 158 is equal to 24,964. Square of 159 is equal to 25,281. Square of 160 is equal to 25,600. Square of 161 is equal to 25,921. Square of 162 is equal to 26,244. Square of 163 is equal to 26,569. Square of 164 is equal to 26,896. Square of 165 is equal to 27,225. Square of 166 is equal to 27,556. Square of 167 is equal to 27,889. Square of 188 is equal to 24,224. Square of 169 is equal to 28,561. Square of 170 is equal to 28,900. Square of 171 is equal to 29,241. Square of 172 is equal to 29,584. Square of 173 is equal to 29,929. Square of 174 is equal to 30,276. Square of 175 is equal to 30,625. Square of 176 is equal to 30,976. Square of 177 is equal to 31,329. Square of 178 is equal to 31,684. Square of 179 is equal to 30,041. Square of 180 is equal to 32,400. Square of 181 is equal to 32,761. Square of 182 is equal to 33,124. Square of 183 is equal to 33,489. Square of 184 is equal to 33,856. Square of 185 is equal to 34,225. Square of 186 is equal to 34,596. Square of 187 is equal to 34,969. One square of 188 is equal to 35,344. Square of 189 is equal to 35,721. Square of 190 is equal to 36,100. Square of 191 is equal to 36,481. Square of 192 is equal to 36,864. Square of 193 is equal to 37,249. Square of 194 is equal to 37,636. Square of 195 is equal to 38,025. Square of 196 is equal to 38,416. Square of 197 is equal to 38,809. Square of 198 is equal to 39,204. Square of 199 is equal to 39,601. Square of 200 is equal to 40,000. I hope you all like this video. I have provided the square playlist in the video description. Don't forget to check it out. I hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more such educational videos. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.